Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how we can remove pattern lock and FRP lock from Realme C12 Rmx2189 very easily with free tool. And if you have not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe and share this video with your friends. As you can see, I have a Realme C12 mobile in my hand, and today I will try to remove pattern lock or FRP lock from this device very easily. Okay, first of all, just select emergency call to check the model number. Now software version, as you can see, it's RMX 2189. Okay, 2189, that means C12, and it's locked. So finally go to the PC. Okay, first of all, download this folder. I will give the links in video description. This folder, Realme C12 format tool. Okay, and install Python in your device, and this one. Okay, and finally install the MediaTek driver, and open authentication bypass one click this tool, and go back and open SP Flash tool version 5.1804. this one, open this tool, click OK, and download agent, that means DA, select, and you will get the DA file from here, this one. Now scatter file Realme C12, this one. Okay, and authentication file, this one. Now simply go to option and connection. Here select USB and close it. Now go to format and select manual format. You will get reset code. Okay, in this folder, Realme C12 reset code, this one, just copy and open SP Flash tool and paste here, and this address. Okay, and paste here. Now this tool, MediaTek bypass tool. Okay, now tap on bypass and simply power up your device. Just power up, press power button and swipe down. Now press both volume and connect USB cable. Okay, it's done. As you can see, all are okay here. Now minimize this tool and SP Plus tool. Now simply click start and just wait 5 seconds, only 5 seconds. Format okay, that means all is done. Now remove USB cable from your device and press power button. And just wait because it will take some times. Okay, now simply set up your phone. Just tap on emergency call. As you can see, we have successfully removed password and FRP lock from Realme C12 very easily. Okay, and guys, this was the video tutorial for today. I hope you must enjoy this video, and please share and subscribe. Thank you watching for this video. Please take care. Have a good day. Bye bye.